Welcome to Sniperbot Solana for Pump.Fun, the tested, high-performance Solana sniper engineered for traders who demand precision and speed. Designed to operate quietly and reliably, Sniperbot Solana.Fun continuously monitors the Solana network for newly minted tokens, liquidity events, and the on-chain signals your strategy targets. When your conditions are met, the platform executes transactions with millisecond timing so your entries happen when the market moves, not after. Getting started is simple and intuitive. Sign in, connect your wallet, and choose from our curated presets: conservative, balanced, or aggressive. Or create a fully custom strategy. Define target pairs, set maximum spend, configure slippage tolerance, and stack rule-based filters to match your edge. Want to run multiple targets at once? Use batch presets and automated scaling rules to manage volume without extra complexity. Once active, the bot operates in the background while the dashboard keeps you informed. Every attempt and outcome is logged so you can review performance, audit activity, and refine rules over time. Need to intervene? One-click pause and manual override give you instant control. The interface is built to let you iterate fast, export logs, compare runs, and apply learnings to new presets without friction. Why traders choose Sniperbot Solana.Fun: consistency and control. The engine is optimized for low latency detection and efficient order placement, delivering repeatable execution across diverse launch scenarios. Advanced filtering reduces noise, dynamic position sizing adapts to your rules, and whitelist, blacklist capabilities let you target only the setups you want. Integration fits naturally